Which word in paragraph 2 is incorrect? A. Guests, B. Course, C. Seeking, or D. Sweet? With a question like this one, where we're being asked to select a single word that's incorrect, the first thing we want to do is see if there are any homophones among our choices. As a quick review, homophones refers to two or more words that sound the same when spoken, but are written differently and have different meanings. For example, for or whale. And indeed, we see two homophones in our choices, coarse and sweet. Coarse, spelled C-O-A-R-S-E, means rude or vulgar or harsh in texture. Spelled C-O-U-R-S-E, it has many definitions. So many, in fact, that it actually makes more sense to try and eliminate the other spelling first. Let's take a look at our sentence to see which spelling would be appropriate here. We see the word course in sentence 8. Over the course of the past year, in-suite dining has become extremely popular, especially for those seeking solace in the safety and comfort of their suite, Jan Hess, general manager at Amanjuo in Bali, tells CNN Travel. We can see that this spelling of course is incorrect here, as the context of the sentence has nothing to do with vulgarness or harshness. And because one of the definitions of C-O-U-R-S-E is describing the passage of time, we can see that C-O-A-R-S-E is the wrong spelling and therefore incorrect. Based on this, we can mark choice B as our final answer.